What is that?
Bikes.
What do you think that's for?
Us.
I don't know who brought it here, but I saw it when I came here. Go check them out.
Oh,
Watch out, Ethan. Hold on.
cute. Oh, cool. Mine has a holder.
Look at that.
It has Hot Wheels on it.
Kick it back.
Too loud.
Babe, is his seat all the way down?
Your hand like that.
Ethan's, yeah.
Come on.
You can't even reach the floor.
Go, baby, try it.
Hard floor.
Okay, you gotta get on the other foot.
It's hard.
Let's keep going,
Somebody
keep going.
needs to hold me so I
That
can
way.
get on you.
They got bike?
Baby, help him.
Yeah. That's nice.
The
I
brakes
need
are on the
to
hand.
get on.
Wow.
Baby.
I can't even reach those.
Watch out.
Your daddy by your
It's
dad?
hard.
No, Santa
too
Claus
high.
brought it.
You put your, just get off of
Santa
it this
Claus.
way.
Oh.
Oh, like that, see?
Yeah, that's Santa Claus, baby.
Woo, good job.
Santa Claus must have dropped these off. They're too big to get through the chimney.
Look at you. You're the big boy, yeah. Where's Santa Claus by you that, huh, honey?
Don't crash in each other.
Wow. Very active this boy, man.